Papas Rellenas. Papas Rellenas, aka fried potato filled with ground beef and cheese. Okay. Oh my. Alright, here we go with the veggies. We got the garlic, the onions, the peppers, all the peppers and all the onions. Oh my. The main ingredient, the Beyond Beef, all the seasoning for the beef. There you go. There you go. Made it really spicy, really spicy. Here goes for the potato. You gotta peel it. You don't have to, but I keep some of the skin on. You gotta mash it. Yeah, mash it down. Mash it. Hulk smash. Yeah. Alright, here goes the seasoning for the potato. Yeah. There goes the seasoning. Yeah. Put it in there, buddy. Put it in there. What are you doing? Put it in there now. You're taking too long. Hurry up. Put the Parmesan in now. Spin it in. Okay. Cornstarch. Then we got the breadcrumbs. Then we got the 2 eggs. Yeah. Put it in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Then comes my favorite part. The get messy. Get messy. Yeah. Make sure it's not sticking to your hand. Then, yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Then you roll it in the ball. Roll in the ball. What are you doing? Roll in the ball, buddy. What are you doing? Then you pat it down. Then you put the cheese on. Okay. Then you add the meat. Yeah. Then you turn it into a empanada. Fold it up. Yeah. Yeah. Potato cake. Potato cake. Papas Rellenas. Yeah. All right. Summer is right around the corner, so I'm spicing it up with this. Papas Rellenas. Yummy in my tummy. Beyond meat.